p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
Southern West Virginia.
Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Williamson, Man, Del Bar, H, Holden, Mount Shamrock, Red Jacket, Gilbert Creek, Mallory, and for Sale Robinette, Chadwick, Gilbert, Sarapet, Chauncey, Pine, Switzer, Hampton, Meader, and Barney. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: West Virginia, Logan, Mingo, and Wyoming.
In mid-June, the 10-year is at 3.5, I believe it, so maybe at 2.6%.
Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely.
West Virginia, Logan, Mingo, and Wyoming.
Call 1-800 is closed. That you will save and